Hello, and welcome to this chapter in our ongoing series of tutorials that will help you get familiar with using Corel's VideoStudio Pro X2. In today's short lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the Painting Creator. The Painting Creator in VideoStudio Pro X2 is a unique, phenomenal new feature that lets you paint on individual frames and images in your movie to add an additional level of creativity and personalization. Add animated travel routes on a map. Add funny faces on your friends. A dress on your pet, a signature at the end. So many choices. And it's so easy to use. If you can draw or paint, you can work with the Painting Creator. If you have not already, you will need to purchase or upgrade to the Pro version of VideoStudio, as the regular version does not contain the Painting Creator. Let's get started. I've quickly produced the basics of my movie using the Movie Wizard, then moved my production to here, the Video Editor, which is where I am now. I'm going to choose this map image here on video track number 1, where I want to create an animated route of our balloon trip across British Columbia. Therefore, I will move my playback head to the frame I want to open up and use as a reference in VideoStudio's Painting Creator. Really, anywhere along this image is fine, as long as I don't select the beginning or the end where the transition is located. Now I'll simply click the Painting Creator icon to launch my painting window. Let me show you around here. The first thing you'll notice is the frame I've selected is now displayed in the main window with the obvious instructions on what to do to get started. But let's look around some more first and make some custom choices. Across the top are my many choices of media types to choose from. Paintbrushes, airbrushes, dry media like crayons and charcoals and chalks and pencils, as well as markers and particles and watercolors and oil paints and bristle brushes. Using the paintbrush, I will then choose a color and a paintbrush size. Now notice I can actually adjust the horizontal or the vertical of my paintbrush size if I want to do like a calligraphy type of effect, or I can lock it down and adjust both at the same time. I also have an eraser and an eyedropper to select a color in my image. Other choices include not using this image as a reference, but any other image I have on my computer or any other current frame on my timeline. I can also choose to make this an animated movie or just like a still drawing. I can also take advantage of the features of a pressure-sensitive tablet if I have one, such as those from our friends at Wacom. And on the far right is our library of current paintings that have been created. Alright then, let's paint. Now, how do I start this again? Oh, that's right. Click the Start Recording button. Now I'll start to draw my route. There's a couple things I want you to realize as I do this. First of all, you can take as long as you want to draw your path. It doesn't track the time it takes you, but just the actual path that you draw. More on this in a moment though. Next is that I can stop at any time, make an adjustment such as a color change, a size change, or even add a texture to my paintbrush. When I'm done, again, no hurry, but click the Stop Recording button and then the Play button to preview. If I don't like it, I can simply hit this Reset button and start from scratch. Okay, so I like this. Notice now it's now in my library down here, and remember I said time was not an issue? If I right-click on this, I can change the default duration from 3 seconds to anything I want to, like 5 seconds here. Now I need to render this file so that VideoStudio can use it. This will happen when I click OK. A couple of minutes later, it's done. The Painting Creator window has closed, and now you see my Painting Creator file in my video gallery. I'll simply now drag it down to the video overlay track so it shows up on top of my map image. Select the map image, adjust the length so the transitions doesn't get in the way, rewind it a little bit, and play it back. And there you have it. So see what you can do with VideoStudio's Painting Creator. Thanks again, and we'll see you in our next lesson.